Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is VikkiToria and today I did a very easy eyeshadow look. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So today I'm using the Carli Bybel palette and I'm gonna go in with that shade as my transition color. Then I'm going to use this charcoaly color for the outer V, and we're just going to pack that right over here and slightly into the crease area, just on this outside part. Then I'm just going to blend that out. Next I'm going to go in with this browny bronzy color, and I'm going to place that in the center of the lid. And for the last color I'm going to use this beautiful berry color just for the inner part of the eye. All these colors blend so beautifully together. It's such a lovely palette. I really do use it almost every day. Next, I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Loreal Telescopic False Lash. And now I'm going to add some lashes. Again, I'm using the Kiss Look So Natural. Next, I'm just going to finish my face off camera and then we will do the bottom part of the eyes. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to do exactly the same as what I did on the top, but I'm just going to do it at the bottom. So we're going in again with that chocolatey grey color, and we're going to place that again in the corner, outside corner of the eye. Then I'm going to add the brown, the golden brown color in the middle. And then that shimmery highlight in the corner. And now to add some mascara at the bottom. And I'm going to add that same shimmery color as, I am going to go in with this color just to highlight the brow bone. So this is the final look. If you like this look, then please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like these. Until next time, bye!